Hi guys, Dave's here back in the garage. Today we're going to talk about electric hand sanders. And what I talk about electric hand sanders, it's something that you hold with your hand. And I have in my shop 5 different ones here. And each one of them has its own purpose. So let's get started. The first one I'm going to talk about is my belt sander here. Now this is one of the smaller models. They make their larger ones. But this has got a 3" by 18" belt on there. And these are great for sanding, wide boards, but you got to keep this thing moving. Don't let it sit in one spot or it will dig down. These remove material extremely fast. They're good at cleaning up rough wood, glued up panels. You want to finish sanding with something else. This is not a finishing sander. The next sander I've got here is it's called a finishing sander or a quarter sheet sander. This is actually the first sander I ever bought. It's Orbital, but you don't want to leave it sitting in one spot very long and everything. But it is good for sanding flat areas and everything. Now we're going to talk about my rigid 5" Orbital sander. This one you'll probably see in more of my videos than any other sander. Well, this one too sands flat and everything, but it oscillates as it goes around. So and when you've got pressure on it, it's going back and forth. It's an overall good sander for just about anything. Now they do make different kind of sandpaper, different grits and everything, and this model has like the Velcro where you can just peel them off and stick another one on it and everything. The next one I got is my Dremel Multi-Max. Now, the Multi-Max down has a cutter on it and everything to cut wood and everything, but it also has a little sander attachment. And this is good for getting in tight corners and everything, or just want to sand smaller areas. This is another model of a Dremel, and it's called the Dremel Contour Sander. I don't think they no longer make these, but I did see these on eBay, the used ones, so you can still buy these. It's got all these different attachments that you can do some detail sanding and everything. And just like this one right here, and it comes with these little, you can still buy these little sleeves here, and they just slide right on here. And then you can do different, if you need to do a corner, you need to do a flat area, you want to do a radius. I've had this thing a long time, and I'll use this thing. This one is great to do, work like this right here. If you want to do, find one that fits your shape. If you need to sand this, put the little sandpaper on there then and just go to town with it. Well guys, these are the 5 electric hand operated sanders I have in my shop. If I was going to buy one of these, the first one I buy, I would probably buy that on the little Orbital sander now instead of my little finishing sander. But each one has its own purpose and everything. So I hope this helps somebody. And if I might make some videos of showing each one of these in use, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.